Today I'll be discussing how to print Fibonacci series in C. So for that we have to open up that C compiler code blocks. We have to save my file with Fibonacci series.c. Let's start writing code. Hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, and inside my main function I have to declare the variable as int I, that is loop variable number for entering the number of values that user wants to enter. I have to declare first with 0, initialize it with 0. I have to initialize the second variable to 1, and then one more variable with the name next. These 5 variables will be used in my program. So first of all, I have to print f. I want users to enter the number of terms for the series. Let user decide how many terms he wants to enter, and I have to save the value of the user defined value into, that would be of integer type, and I want to save it at the address of number. Now we want to use for loop, and I'll be using for loop from 0. I'll initialize it to 0, colon I is less than that number that user enters, and then I plus plus. Now inside my loop, what I will do is the first Fibonacci series number is 0 always, so that's why I have to initialize the first with 0. So I will be writing here uh, %d %d, comma, first. So whatever is in first, it will be displayed on the screen. Now for next variable, I will be writing next equals to first plus second. There is one value in second, and 0 in first, and one with plus with 0, and it will be giving us the next term. And I have to assign the first to I have to assign second to first, and I have to assign next to second. And in the second iteration, uh, that first will be considered as the second value. That's all. We have to write get ch, and the program ends. Save the file, go to build, and click on build and run. Let's say I want first five numbers of the series. So it will be giving the first number will always be 0, the second is 1, and 0 plus 1 will give you 1, and then 1 plus 1 will give you 2, and then 2 plus 1 will give you 3. That's absolutely correct. For more readability, I have to write \t here, so it will be more readable. Go to build and run again. Let's say uh, I want the first 10 numbers of Fibonacci series. So this is 0, then 1, then 1 plus 0 is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5, then 5 plus 3 is 8, then 8 plus 5 is 13, and so on and so forth. Let's say I want to see the output of first 20 Fibonacci series. So I will write 20 here. So this is the output of 20 numbers of Fibonacci series. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin ProcTech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.